Hey guys, it's your girl Jay. Today I'll be teaching you how to make butter slime, and I have my dog Cuddles with me. Before we get this video started, please hit that like button and subscribe down below. Comment down below what I should do. Should I do makeup or slime? So let's get started. So the glue I'll be using is classic clear glue, and all I'm going to be doing is pouring it into my bowl. These are a little bit thicker than the other glues, so it might take a while to get out. That's okay. You could also use like white glue and add in color if your clay is white, like mine. I also decided to use this blue one because blue is one of my second favorite color, because black is my first favorite. That's good. Most of the glitter is also on the bottom, as you can tell. But that doesn't bug me one bit. Next, I will be mixing this up just to make sure there's no clumps. And yeah, today I'm not going to be adding any water. Next, I'm going to be using this new activator. If you go to Walmart, you can get it for $1. None of the Dollar Tree ones really work. It's oxide. And make sure you get like Tide or Gain or this one. I'm gonna pour some in the cap. It's green, so it might affect the color of the glue or everything. So if you're doing clear, if you wanted like a greeny bluey color, like kind of like teal or green or blue, this would be perfect. But if you want it to be just clear, you could use contact lens solution or borax like I normally do. I like the borax method way better than the contact lens solution, because if you want to use baking soda, you can, but if you add shaving cream into it, then you don't have to have baking soda. But I just don't really like the shaving cream method because it makes your slime fluffy, and I'm not a big fan of fluffy slimes. I like the thick slimes better than fluffy. As you can see, it's getting thicker. So I will be right back whenever my slime is almost fully complete. Okay, the next step, I'm going to be using Model Magic, the Vino. So why I'm adding lotion is because sometimes the clay is very hard. So when you add it into your slime, it makes your slime stiff. Sorry about the noise. This packaging is just very hard, and I didn't realize that until right now. Also, sorry if I sound weird. I was sick a few days ago, and I still don't feel good. So this is the clay. It's kind of soft, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of lotion just to soften it up. I like the white Model Magic because if you get the colored one and you have a colored slime, sometimes you don't know if it's going to turn into a pretty color or an ugly color. So yeah, that's why I like the white one. Oh, sorry I didn't show you the color of my slime. It's like a teal, and it's very pretty, so I might have to do a video on it. But yeah, now the clay is very soft, so now it's ready to be mixed into my glorious slime. So I'm gonna go little by. I'm gonna put that in first. I'm gonna put that in there. Move that. This is also a very runny slime, so it's going to thicken up the slime. I'm also going to start doing shout outs. So if you tell your friends to follow me and your family to follow me, then comment down below, done, and in one of my videos you will get a shout out. As you can tell, this might not be enough clay, so I'm going to add a little bit more. And some days I'll have like a friend in my videos, or like something I just wanted to show y'all, like an app, which I do have an app I want to show you, but I'm going to show y'all like maybe in this video or in my next video. Ooh, this is also a pretty color. So yeah, I will be right back whenever it's fully mixed in. So this is how my butter slime turned out, and it is butter slime. It is spreading very well. The whole reason why I'm using Model Magic is because it's easier to get than Daiso clay, and Daiso clay is very expensive. If you can find it in any stores, it's probably very expensive. One day I saw it and it was like 100 bucks. So Model Magic is just like a dupe of that. I hope you liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember to comment down below what I should do, like makeup, slime, squishies, and also tell your friends about me and your family so they can subscribe and comment down below, done, so you'll get a shout out in one of my videos. Bye!